Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello dear students, welcome to science class. Today we are going to do our first activity, that is sprouting. Students, now what is the aim of this activity? The aim of this activity is to grow sprouts in seeds. Let's see what do we need for this activity. We need black gram, a container filled with water, an empty glass and a piece of cotton cloth. Now how we will do this activity? Firstly, we'll take some dry seeds of chana. Then we'll put these seeds in a container filled with water like this. Now leave this aside for a day or overnight. Next day, drain the water completely. Then wrap the seeds with a piece of wet cloth and set aside for one more day. Next day, you'll observe a change in the seed. You'll observe a white structure grown out of the seed. So what is the observation of this activity? A small white structure have grown out of the seeds, which means seeds are sprouted. And do you know, children, these sprouted seeds contain more vitamin A, B and C, which make them a healthy food. So what you have learned from this activity? First is the seeds are sprouted, and second is these sprouted seeds contain more vitamin A, B and C, which make them a healthy food. Thank you. God bless you all.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ EduFun क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।